Hello everyone, I am Ashwin Disle, a student of the Bristol Institute, batch 22. Today I will discuss on the role of medical coders in healthcare. Medical coders play a crucial role in the healthcare system by translating patient information into a standardized code. These codes are used for billing, insurance claims, and data analysis. Their work ensure the accuracy of medical records, proper reimbursement for healthcare providers, and the smooth functioning of the healthcare industry. Key responsibilities: medical coders review patient records and assign codes to diagnosis, procedure, and treatment. These codes come from a standardized coding system like ICD, CPT, and HCPCS. For example, if a patient visits a doctor for a broken arm, the coder assigns specific codes that describe the condition and the treatment provided. Importance in healthcare: accurate billing and reimbursement. Medical coder ensure healthcare providers are paid accurately by insurance, determine how much the provider is reimbursed for services rendered. Errors in coding can lead to claim denials, underpayments, or even legal issues. Efficient data management. Coding standardizes patient information, making it easier to analyze trends in healthcare. For instance, code data helps track the prevalence of disease, measures treatment outcomes, and plan public health strategies. Next is support for research and policy. Government and researchers use coded data to develop healthcare policies and conduct studies. For example, coding data can reveal the spread of new disease, guiding interventions and resource allocation. Ensuring compliance. Coders help healthcare facility comply with laws and regulations such as those related to patient confidentiality and accurate reporting. Their work reduces the risk of adult and penalties. Skills and tools. A medical coder must have a strong understanding of medical terminology, anatomy, and coding system. They also use specialized software to input and verify codes. Attention to detail, analytical skills, and the ability to stay updated on coding changes are essential for success in this field. Challenges in this is the job of medical coder is not without challenges. They often deal with complex medical records and must navigate frequent updates to coding guidelines. Miscommunication between healthcare provider and coder can also lead to error, making effective communication a vital skill. Career outlook. Medical coding offers a promising career opportunity with the growing demand for healthcare services and the shift toward digital healthcare record. Skilled coders are in high demand. Certification from organizations like the AAPC, American Academy of Professional Coders, or AHMA, American Health Information Management Association, can enhance job prospect. The challenges in medical coding is the job of medical coder is not without challenges. They often deal with complex medical records and must navigate frequent update to coding guidelines. Miscommunication between healthcare providers and coders can also lead to errors, making effective communication a vital skill. In last conclusion of this medical coding is, in summary, medical coders serve as a bridge between healthcare providers and the administrative side of healthcare. This work ensure accurate documentation, facilitate fair reimbursement, and support the efficient functioning the healthcare system. While their role often goes unnoticed, medical coders are indispensable to the delivery of quality care. This is all about the role of medical coders in healthcare system. Thank you.